Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, hello. Today I am going to be making a home pizza, and I just want to let you know before we get into the video, please make sure you like, subscribe. So the bread that I use for this pizza is Tourza bakery. It's like a pita bread. So I'll show you up close. So this is what it looks like. And I actually just got this from a local grocery store in my neighborhood. So this is what we're gonna use for the pizza. And then this is Masterpiece Kettle Cooked barbecue sauce. This is the key. So I like barbecue sauce on my pizza instead of pizza sauce or marinara sauce. I do barbecue, trust me. Here I am spreading the barbecue sauce nice and evenly on the pita bread. I like my pizza to be pretty saucy, so I'm gonna add a fair amount of sauce. I have already cut up the baby peppers and added them to the pizza. I am now placing the pepperoni. Again, for the peppers, I just buy like the little bag of baby peppers from the grocery store. It's just enough. Usually the big ones are a little bit too much for us. Now I'm just gonna cook the Italian sausage, and it's pretty quick. You can add a little bit of seasoning if you like. So this is kind of the last part. I'm just gonna put the Italian sausage on the pizza and then put it into the oven. So now it's finally time to cook the pizza. So you wanna preheat your oven to 415, and then you wanna put your pizza in and cook it for 8 minutes. Also, another good thing about this is that the bread is only 75 calories. Okay, so we got the pizza in the oven, and we're gonna let that cook for 8 minutes. It's super quick. So I'm just gonna clean up the mess, and then by the time I finish doing that, the pizza will be done. This is the best thin crust pizza, hands down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know how your pizza turned out in the comment section down below.